Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about how to create a new client. How to create a new client. Theoretically, we can create clients from 000 to 999, but maintenance of such a large number of clients becomes a challenge. Step 1. Execute T code SCC4. Next, step 2. It will bring you to the initial screen of SAP clients. Click New Entry to make a new SAP client. Step 3. Enter basic details as given below. Client number and description. City to which client belongs. Example New York, NY. Logical system may be SID, client number. STD currency may be. Client roles may be customizing, demo, training or education, production, etc. Enter your client specific data and set permission for the clients as per your requirement. Save. Press F3 to come back SCC4. Step 4. New client will be there in the list. Here we have created client 100. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to our channel.